welcome back to another video, guys. In this video, if you are getting this 00778 and if you're getting this image on the cluster, obviously it's gone now. I will explain what I've done. Usually happens when you disconnect the battery and connect it back. It loses the memory of the steering angle sensor. It kind of decodes itself and you need to code it back in. Now, you don't even need a diagnostic machine, I'll be honest. Once you've, let's say you had a dead battery, you've jumped it, or in your case, I don't know, hopefully you haven't changed it, because if you have, it's a different story. It won't be a case of what I will be doing or what I'll be telling you to do. If it's the easy way, obviously we do recommend a full lock to lock, completely left all the way and all the way to the right, but take it steady, don't rush it. That's what we would recommend. Sometimes this will eliminate it and go off, and if you've got the steering light there as well, I think it's on this side, if you've got that, then obviously that will go off, but these may remain, or sometimes that will also remain. So what you'll need to do is just go for a drive, let's just say a minute drive, not even that, in a straight angle, and then it'll just calibrate itself, done, and it'll eliminate this code. Now, if you've changed the steering angle sensor, then I have other videos where you can watch, but you'll have to go into the ABS section, go into the settings of the steering angle sensor and recode in the new one, which is not easy. It's a bit of a faff, but sometimes it does it on the first go, sometimes it doesn't. But in this case, that's what that is, and that's what we recommend. Full lock to the left, full lock to the right, and then go into center again and just drive off, and you should instantly cut off, as in they will eliminate.